everyone, my name is Vincentia Sinta Putri, and today I want to tell you about my experience about studying online learning experience. So let's get started. Okay, for the first question is, what kind of online learning tool or apps have you found most helpful and why? Okay, for the online learning in this class, I use three apps. The first is Zoom Meet, the second is Google Meet, the third is Google Classroom. Honestly, the Zoom Meet and Google Meet is the same application. The function is for live. Okay, the Zoom Meet and Google Meet is the same application. The function is to have interaction with each other, with the friends, with your lecturer in the during session class. And the tools is so very easy to use for beginner to start the study online learning. So I'm so recommendation to these apps, the Zoom Meet and Google Meet. Okay, for the third application is the Google Classroom. I use Google Classroom because this application help me to keeps everything organized and um, is so very easy to accessible to learning the materials and submit the assignment. Okay, we next to the question number 2 is, what challenge did you face while studying online? Okay, one of the biggest what I'm challenging for this problem is because we are staying at home, right? That means there's so many distractions that we have faces, or this is so challenging. And even sometimes the internet connection is unexpectedly is dropped out. I have once experienced so the first time we have a learning we have to doing the exam or quizzes, my connection dropped out unexpectedly. So that experience taught me to we have a back plane or a backup plane, uh, like we have to have a mobile data in a fast connection, or we going to work from cafe, because in the cafe the internet connection so very stable. Maybe that's it for my answer for this question. Next question. The next question is, how do you compare the level of interaction in online learning with traditional classroom learning? In my opinion, online learning tends to be more limit and formal, because in traditional learning uh, we can raise our hands, right, for the ask or answer the question, but or engage the discussion. But online learning often lacks the immediacy and spontaneity, even with the features like breakout rooms or chat functions. It doesn't fully replicate the dynamic of face-to-face conversation. The next question is, do you think online learning will replace traditional education in the future? Honestly, I don't believe I don't believe the online learning will completely replace traditional education, but I do think it will continue to grow and play a much larger role in the future. Traditional learning is face-to-face learning over valuable social interaction, hands-on experience, and a structured environment that many students benefit from, especially younger learners or those studying subjects that require practical components like medicine or engineering. However, online learning offers unmatched flexibility, accessibility, and convenience. For example, people who are working full-time, parents, or those living in rural areas can gain access to quality education without the need to relocate or attend physical classes. In the future, I imagine we'll see more a blend or hybrid learning model where students can benefit from both in-person engagement and the advantages of digital tools. So, rather than one replacing the other, I think they will coexist and complement each other, providing a more personalized and flexible education system that can adapt to different learning styles and in the life situations. The next question is, have you taken any online exams or quizzes? So, how was your experience? However, there are some challenge, and I have one of the biggest issue and the anxiety with the technical problem. One of the biggest issue and got me to the anxiety around the technical problem, like losing internet or have many distractions of connecting. Even when the system crashing in the middle of the exam, it was a biggest fear ever that I ever had. So in the exam or quizzes, we had to keep up the cameras on and the microphone on, and sometimes we don't look the screen. Even sometimes we were not even allowed to look far away from the screen, and it felt a little bit of stressful, although I understand the need to prevent cheating. And I think the online exams can be effectively if the technology is reliable and the instructions is are clear. They just require students to be well prepared and adaptable, and make it us uh, to student to be well prepared and adaptable to focus in to the daring exams. Okay, the last question is, how was online learning impact your time management skills? My answer is, online learning significantly improved my time management uh, because I had to take full responsibility for organizing my schedule. Without a fixed classroom setting, I learned to set the daily goals, prioritize tasks, and avoid procrastination. And at first, it was difficult, but using digital planners and reminders helped me to become more disciplined. Maybe that's it, the question and answer for my experience online learning. So, thank you for enjoying my video and see you. Bye.